Have you ever tried to create visual materials, concept designs like character, weapon, stage, vehicles, 3D animations, visual simulations, 3D games? Have you ever wished to create or to learn to create these things more easily? I want to introduce you the Model Creator from WorldGazer. Model Creator is a simple model data for computer animation software Blender. By using Model Creator, user can construct any kind of 3D models by combining the models that are already set in the data. Models are parted to few pieces, so you can combine different pieces of models and create your own design. Blender is an animation software capable of a lot of functions, like modeling, adding textures, making and connecting bones, animations, dynamic and fluid simulations, game logics, and more and more. Blender is free and Model Creator is free. So all you need is a computer, internet connection, little knowledge of Blender, and your imagination. I am looking forward to share this fun with you. I am still working on this project and planning to upload the data as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. God bless and may I have sweet dreams.